Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
ഇനിയസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടേനു അന്ന് കളിക്കും.
Who is that? Mute yourself, man.
Sir, there are two Shamanumas in our class.
Okay. How do you multiply two determinants? You can multiply like how you multiply two matrices. Tell me how it is done. बोला मैम AP plus BR हाँ row with column AQ plus BS बोला मैम
AP plus DR,
plus BR
CQ plus DS.
come back to yesterday's problem. Determinant cos of am I correct? Second row, second column. Isn't it? Isn't it? बच्चे लोग I am explaining yesterday's problem again. What is expansion? Cos A cos B two cross two determinants. So two entries. 3 cross 3. So how many entries you should have? 3 entries. What's the third entry? Second one. Second one. Expand क्या देगा? Expand क्या देगा? Cos A cos Q. Sin A sin Q. Last entry में बोलो cos A cos R sin A sin R. I am not writing remaining. You write. Now, what am I trying to do? I am trying to explain. I am trying to split this. I am trying to split this into product of two determinants. I repeat. What am I doing? I am trying to split this into product of two determinants. Cos A I'll write here. Cos B. फर्स्ट एंट्री मैच हो गया बच्चे लोग चेक करो रो विद कॉलम cos A cos B फर्स्ट एंट्री मैच हो गया नेक्स्ट क्या है ना sin A sin P so what I will write third entry 0 so what I am writing here
0.
is this clear all of you is this clear all of you say yes or no man
Sir.
Sir.
Zahiruddin Adnan. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, look at second entry. Cos A, cos Q. Row with column. Cos A I have. So हमको क्या आना? Cos A, cos Q. Row with column. Cos A, cos Q. Row with column. Second entry. Sin A. इधर क्या आना? Last entry. Last entry.
0.
Next. Next. Cos A, cos R. Cos A. इधर क्या आना?
cos r,
इधर क्या आना?
sin r,
इधर क्या आना?
0,
Up, look at these two. Now you can easily fill the gaps. Cos A, sin A, 0 आया. So बाकी के क्या आएंगे? Cos B,
Sin Q. Sin B.
cos C. And what did I say? When a given row, properties of determinants में रहता है. Second या third वाला. When a given row or column, when a given row or column has all its entries zeros, then that value is always 0. So this is 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
All doubts should be shattered. Zahiruddin Adnan. Bolo ji.
Yes, sir. Cleared.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shabash. Chalo, copy this. Try it once again. Because yesterday I didn't write this stuff. Can I continue? Done, man. Finished.
yes sir,
सेम थिंग मन एक कॉस निकाल दो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ I'll give a hint. What is the first row? Second one. Third one.
Sir, R square.
Where man?
3 1, sir. Third row and first column. Plus R square. P square minus 2CP minus plus P
plus
square, sir.
P
Sir.
square.
P square.
Where man?
Third row, first
Third.
column, sir.
A31.
Sir, there Q square will come.
अब जानो ना इधर उधर क्या हुआ? No, tell me the do A plus B whole square expansion में don't correct me man. Give me the answer. Give me the answer. Show skill in that. चलो. मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ.
Sir, 0. Sir,
हाँ.
0.
4 into answer बोलो.
A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, P minus Q into Q minus R into R.
Yes. 4 into A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, P minus Q, Q minus R, R minus P. 4 into. Answer will be from Delhi to Bombay. What's the first entry? What you will write here?
1.
1. Next. What you will write here? Next. What you will write here? चेक करो सेट हो रहा क्या? चेक करो सेट हो रहा क्या? चेक करो सेट हो रहा क्या? जहीरुद्दीन अदनान. चेक करो जी सेट हो रहा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
चलो चलो एक बार समझे अंगार लगा देना. Once you understand it really, chalo, turn it on. Next. 1 q square. Am I correct? Yeah, I think 2 into man, not 4.
Yes. 2 into.
What's the last entry?
Yes, sir. 2.
What's the last entry, man? 1. Bolo.
R square.
Disturbance from somebody's side, please mute your mic. What about this one?
B square minus 2B 1.
Look here.
Sir, the third row, second column, the last element is C minus B. Third row, second column, sir. Third row, second column.
Third row. Yes. Java.
Sir, that should be C minus Q, no, sir.
Huh?
That should be C minus Q whole square, no, sir. Then only
Okay.
that would satisfy.
Look here. Hello. Two things. Minus 2 common and 1 interchange. One interchange will change the one interchange will give you. Remember, if you interchange 2 rows or 2 columns, determinant से क्या sign आएगा? Minus.
Minus.
2 common, 1 interchange. -2 कहाँ से कॉमन ले रहे हो? 1 2 3 सेकंड कॉलम से. -2 कॉमन सेकंड कॉलम से. And what am I doing? I am doing one interchange. What interchange will do?
R.
Interchange these two. What does it become? Yes, sorry, I made one interchange. So what sign you will get?
Minus.
-1. This is for determining. What do you get? A square, B square, C square. 1 1 1. 1 1 1. P Q R. P square, Q square, R square. So this will become what? +2. Cyclic order maintained. 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square. 1 1 1 P Q R P square Q square R square. So what is this? 2 into. What's the first determinant one? बोलेंगे A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Second determinant one, P minus Q, Q minus R minus P. बच्चों लोग, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? I'm waiting.
Sir, can't we take directly cyclic order in the first step itself, sir?
No, there
After
is no.
taking -2 common.
After taking -2 common, cyclic order कैसा आएगा? 1 1 1 A square B square C square A B C आ रहा. It should be 1 1 1 A B C A square B square C square. Then it is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A.
Sir.
The interchange I got, but became plus.
Okay, sir.
Is the logic clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, this was asked once in advance exam, 2019 JEE mains, 2020 this year January session, JEE mains. Once in advance, 19 may mains, 20 may also be mains. देखेंगे कौन आंसर देगा इसका. मैं इंतजार करूंगा. 2020 JEE mains question January session. And I solved this problem in the class. All my students did this problem correctly out of the and came out of the exam. Because this will be there in their notes. Where are we? Wait, we're unable to find the problem.
Sir, that is SN.
Yeah, SN. हेलो, इसको ट्रांसपोज करो, ये मिल जाएगा. Transpose this, you will get this. Both are same. Did you identify?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, what is this? 1, 1, 1, 1 alpha beta, 1 alpha square beta square का square.
1 minus alpha square, alpha minus beta square, beta minus 1 square.
No man. What is 1, 1, 1? A, B, C, A square, B square, C square, A
A
minus
minus
B,
B, B
B
minus
minus
C,
C, C
C.
minus
C
A.
minus A.
Hello, what do I have? 1, 1, 1 I have. In place of A, what do I have?
1.
A is
1.
1, B is alpha,
Alpha.
C is beta.
Beta.
Write that here. Here, bolo A1, B alpha, C beta. तो ये क्या होगा? 1 minus alpha, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. Will you complete the problem now? I'm waiting.
Yes, sir. Got the answer.
Mains question, man.
Got, sir.
This is not over. It is still there. I told you how many chapters are there. What do you do? How many problems he will ask? 25. So क्या होगा? Problems will be clubbed. This problem, 2 chapters will fight for this problem. Hello, matrices and determinants says this is my problem. Quadratic equations also says this is my problem. Both the chapters will fight, saying that my problem, my problem. This problem is combination of 2 mixture problems, biconceptual problems.
Sir,
Bolo.
sir, I saw same question like this, but calculus and matrices are there.
It is differentiation. Differentiation of determinant बोल के आता. करेंगे.
1 second, sir, also.
हाँ? We'll do it. We'll do it. हेलो, माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लो. माइनस साइन कॉमन, अल्फा में इसको फिक्स रखो. माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लो. व्हाट डज इट बिकम्स? अल्फा माइनस 1, बीटा माइनस 1, अल्फा माइनस बीटा होल स्क्वायर. Can I write in this form?
Alpha beta minus 1.
What is alpha minus 1 into beta minus 1? बोलो.
Alpha beta.
Alpha beta minus alpha minus beta plus 1. बच्चे लोग 10th standard. बच्चे लोग 10th standard. What is alpha minus beta whole square?
Alpha square plus beta square minus 4 alpha.
हाँ. कौन है वो?
Alpha plus beta square
Alpha
minus 4
square
alpha
plus
beta.
beta square. Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta कहते हैं. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4
4
alpha
alpha
beta.
beta.
Now कौन सा चैप्टर पूछ जाएगा? कौन सा चैप्टर पूछ जाएगा? कौन सा चैप्टर पूछ जाएगा? Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. इसके रूट्स क्या है? इसके रूट्स क्या है? What are the roots of x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0? Alpha comma beta. What is alpha plus beta बच्चे लोग?
Minus b by a.
अल्फा बीटा बचलो
ये सी बाई ए
सब्स्टिट्यूट करो ना इसमें बचलो आया बचलो
Yes, sir.
अल्फा बीटा सी बाई ए माइनस साइन कॉमन ले लिया अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस बी बाई ए प्लस 1 स्क्वायर हो रहा है अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस बी बाई ए स्क्वायर हो रहा है अल्फा बीटा सी बाई ए व्हाट डज इट बिकम्स सी बाई ए प्लस बी बाई ए इंटू बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई ए स्क्वायर व्हाट विल आई गेट एलसीएम इज ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा हियर भी एक स्क्वायर सो व्हाट विल आई गेट 1 by a power 4
A
into
power 4.
b square minus 4ac into a plus b plus c whole square इस प्रॉब्लम पढ़ाने के लिए मेरे को वो दो प्रॉब्लम
how did we get a plus b plus c whole square sir?
एलसीएम में ये आता ना चाहिए
Okay sir.
हाँ
Okay sir. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
बोलो
Sir, in that step, you said minus is common.
हाँ
So, sir, we should get B.
यार स्क्वायर मैन माइनस क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I clear this off? Look here. Do not write. Listen here. All of you. All of you. Look here. R1 replaced by pay attention, all of you. Please do not write. Look at your screens. It will be there on the board. You can copy later. Why am I doing R1 minus R2, R2 minus R3? R1 minus R2 I do. I'll get P minus A, which is there in the problem. R2 minus R3, I'll get Q minus B. Q minus B is there in the problem. Pay attention, man. What will I get? Determinant. Bolo. Tell me, man. Participate in the class. Bolo answer क्या आएगा? Next
P
step.
minus A,
P minus A. Next.
B minus Q,
B minus Q. Next.
C minus
Zero.
T, 0.
C minus C, man. 0. R2 minus R3. A minus A. Q minus B. Next.
C minus R.
R. Next. A, B, R. Can you give me determinant expansion? C minus A into. What will I get, man?
Q
This
minus B
into this.
into R.
R into B minus Q
minus B.
B into C minus R.
So
Correct?
Q minus B.
Minus B minus Q
Sir.
into. How do you know?
Sir, Q minus B, sir, not B minus Q.
Oh, sorry. R into Q minus B. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus B minus Q into. Delete this row, delete this column. This into this 0.
0 minus C into C minus R.
Minus A into.
C minus R.
Last entry anyhow
Plus
0.
0.
I'm waiting. I'm standing. Any doubts? Any questions so far?
No, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, look here. Pay attention. Every term. Look here, man. थोड़ा एक manipulation है. एक manipulation है. एक manipulation है. Every term is in the terms are in the form P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. So try to get P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C. Look at first two. Same form. S. What will I get? R into P minus A, Q minus B. Hello. I am multiplying these two. Same form? No. What sign? Minus. But I have R minus C. Here I have C minus R. With a negative sign, C minus R. Negative sign, C minus R. I will take minus sign common. Taking minus sign common, what does this term becomes? Plus. What will I get? Follow. Plus B into. Next, two negative signs, positive. B minus Q say minus sign common. C minus R say minus sign common. So how do I write last term? Plus, follow. A into Q minus B divided by P minus A Q minus B. Come on. Tell me what does it gives you. Chalo. Complete the problem now. Complete the problem now. I'm waiting. If you have any doubts also you can ask. आंसर मैन हो गया?
Sir, in between A and B is coming, sir. A, B, R are coming, sir. We are getting P in that place.
All manipulation you should do, man. When you divide throughout by P minus A, Q minus B, R minus C, what you will get? P minus A will cancel off. Q minus B will cancel off. What do I obtain? Second term. P minus A cancel off. R minus C cancel off. क्या आएगा? P upon third term में Q minus B cancel off. R minus C cancel off. क्या आएगा? A by बच्चे लोग clear deal here. बच्चे
sir.
लोग clear deal here. All of you. Any doubts? I'll repeat. I'm moving ahead. What has been asked? What we obtained? छोटा manipulation करना चाहिए. This idea you should get, man.
That works, sir.
Anybody? What to do?
Add Q and Q. Q and
Who is this? Is it Jasim?
Q. Yes, sir.
Is it Jasim?
Yes, sir. I only asked the question, sir. So,
Yeah, very good, Jasim. Here, what you should do? What you should do? For the first one, R by R minus C. R by R minus C. D is there. What you will do? Next. A is there. What you will do? बच्चों लोग मैंने क्या किया? फर्स्ट टर्म आई फिक्स्ड, सेकंड टर्म ऐड एंड सबट्रैक्ट Q, थर्ड टर्म ऐड एंड सबट्रैक्ट P. फर्स्ट वाला आंसर आ गया. कैसा आया? R by R minus C plus B minus Q by Q minus B क्या देगा? -1 plus Q by Q minus B plus A minus P by P minus A. A minus P by P minus A क्या देगा? -1 plus P by बच्चे लोग आंसर R by R minus C, Q by Q minus B, P by P minus A, -1 that side. Now again, how do you prove second one? दो टर्म्स मैच हो गए, दो टर्म्स मैच हो गए, एक टर्म मैच नहीं हो रहा, so क्या करना? What you will do?
Sir minus P.
And बोलो pick up this one. What you will do? Add and subtract
R
C.
minus C plus C.
Add and subtract C by plus B by A by बच्चों लोग, what is R minus C by R minus C?
1.
That one, that side, -1. What will I get? Clear? One of examiner's favorite question. Once again, asked twice in mains, once in advance. Asked twice in mains, once in advance. Very, very important problem. Can I clear LHS or should I wait?
2 minutes, sir, 2 minutes. Sir, I think so you made a mistake there in the LHS.
Can I?
Sir, I think so you made a mistake in the LHS, sir.
You didn't see?
I think so you made a mistake in the LHS. In
Where?
the third step, sir, it should be place A into B minus Q.
2 negative minus into minus plus. I took negative sign common, you'll get 4 negative signs else plus.
Okay, sir.
अरे वाह. Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Look here. The famous फॉर्मूला डिटर्मिनेंट्स में डिटर्मिनेंट ट्वेंटी स्क्वायर एक नंबर बढ़ाओ सेकेंड रो स्टार्ट विथ दिस 2021 बोलो एक बढ़ाते जाओ एक नीचे लेके आओ it is always minus 8. You know reason? Since determinant, do not write. Listen here, man. Determinant you should tell me, all of you, do not write. Listen here. Listen here. N square से start कर रहा हूँ मैं. Tell me the next entry. Tell me the next entry, man. हाँ.
M plus 1
Whole
Whole
square.
square.
Next entry.
N plus 2.
Next कहाँ से start करना?
Plus 1 whole square.
N plus 1 whole square से. Next entry बोलो.
M plus 4
उसके बाद
Plus 3 whole square.
next
N plus 2 whole square.
हाँ N plus 2
M plus 2
Plus 3 whole square. N plus 4 whole.
what's the data value? You need any number you take. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Next entry.
3 square
3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Next
square.
entry. 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. Data value. -8.
Sir, can you please explain once again, sir? I got disconnected.
How you?
I got disconnected, sir. Can you please explain once again?
There is no explanation, man. That's a formula. While writing, write this way. N square, n plus 1 whole square. एक बढ़ाते जाओ. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. 3 square से start करो. Increase by 1. 4 square से start करो. Increase by 1.
Always minus 8.
You determinant will be minus 8. You prove this for tomorrow as homework.
Sir.
Write this. previous IIT advanced question, more than one answer correct. Can I clear above ones?
Yes, sir.
I repeat, man, all of you, homework for tomorrow. You should never take anything as a formula. Please prove this as homework for tomorrow. Why this is -8? Proof local. Pay attention. A alpha plus B, B alpha plus C. कुछ सूझ रहा है? कुछ सूझ रहा है? Any idea? R3 you replace by, बोलो, R3 minus alpha times R1. Alpha times R1 plus R2. What is alpha times R1? A alpha plus R2 B. B alpha plus C. बच्चे लोग, look at this step. Is this clear?
Clear, sir.
Now tell me what is first row. These are fixed. Oh, what will this entry now becomes?
0. A
Now,
alpha square plus C.
you are multiplying this by alpha and adding. When you multiply this by alpha, what does it becomes? When you multiply this by alpha, what does it becomes? A alpha
A
square plus
alpha
B
square
alpha.
plus B.
You are adding another B alpha. So what does it becomes? Minus of, bolo ji,
A alpha square plus 2b
A alpha square plus 2b
square
alpha plus C.
this whole determinant is equal to क्या आएगा? Is equal to क्या आएगा? 0. Now expand this determinant. What will I get? 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. This into this minus this into this. So what will I get? Expansion minus of into. But you know, this is clear. On expansion, determinant can be expanded by using any row, any column. Determinant can be expanded by using any row, any column. मैं कौन सा रो ले रहा हूँ? I'm taking third row. 0 into something. Both are zeros. So this into this minus this into this. How many possibilities? What is one possibility? A alpha square. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? Alpha is, बोलो मैम, satisfying what? Ax square. Am I correct? What do you mean by satisfying?
Yes, sir.
If you substitute, it will become 0.
Root.
Alpha is satisfying. What do you mean by satisfying? What do you mean by satisfying? Satisfying is English word. Satisfying is English word. What's a mathematical word? Root. Alpha is a root of बच्चे लोग second case. AC minus B square is equals to 0. What do you mean by this? A, B, C are in what progression then?
Geometric progression.
Option A, option B, option D. Correct. Previous advanced question. Any doubts? Any questions? I'm waiting here.
No, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions? I'm waiting here.
No, sir. No.
Chalo, copy this. Hopefully you all bought Cengage and you all have copy of Cengages with you. Please keep solving problems from the book. Don't sit idle. 1.5 hour class. 2.5 hour class should be working. 2.5 hours should be working from your side. Practice 2.5 hours every day. First go through the notes or solve notes problems once again. Then proceed. Thank you. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can leave. Thank you. Okay then. Thank you.